Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to add cash on delivery option in Wix. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in order for you to add cash on delivery here in Wix, what we need to do is we first need to go to our dashboard, and you want to go ahead and go to getting paid here, and it should redirect you to connect and setup. Let's go and click on connect payment method. Now from here, let's go ahead and add a manual payment here. Let's go and click on connect. And in here, it should redirect you to your settings. So in this case, you want to go ahead and choose the manual payment option here, and you want to choose one of the following options. So since we want to use cash on delivery, let's go and choose cash on delivery, and just basically add whichever interaction or what information that you need to add here. Like for example, you can basically specify here that the customer needs to pay before a service or a package is going to be handed off to them. So just provide all necessary information here, and once you provide all the information, just click on connect at the bottom right here, and you should be able to add your manual payments. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.